me chewing, but this gum is pretty good. Remember when I said, if you watch my videos, you will notice I had a garage thermometer. And it's basically a bottle of water that's frozen. This will tell you how the temperatures change. Last time I showed you a bottle of water on one of these videos, it was frozen solid. Now, it's black ice in it. So it's still cold out, but I can drink water now. So anyway, garage thermometers. You don't need a fancy one in the store. All you need is a 25-cent bottle of water. It's frozen, it's damn cold in here. If it's not frozen, it's cold enough to do stuff. If it's got ice block in it, it's still not closing. It's still not warm enough to use power tools because the wind chill factor on a milling machine or even an air tool is just sucky. So stay tuned for power tools. Next week it's supposed to be like +8. So it should get a lot warmer in here. And I'm working on my, what do you call it? Kitchen ironing board. Has wood and metal, garage said. Looks like an ironing board, which actually it doesn't look like an ironing board. So anyway, stay tuned. Enjoy.